Hello viewers, I'm Lokesh. So today we are here with the battery operated platform truck from Skyrider Electric. So this is the Optimus T20, which is the 2-ton BOPT that has been newly launched into the market. So right in this video, what we are going to show is how you can operate this particular truck, how to operate the platform truck Optimus T20. So let's start with the working phenomena. So firstly, in any vehicle, as you know, you firstly have to take the key and insert it into the keyhole being right here. So you just enter into the keyhole and turn it on, and the meter lights up. So this is the speedometer of the vehicle that shows you the speed, the distance traveled, the current potential in the battery voltage level, and the charge level as well. So once the key is turned on, the meter lights up. So this gives you a signal that the vehicle is turned on now. And over here you have the driving mode selector, as in if you want to drive forward, you have to keep it in the center. If you wish to drive reverse, you have to push it down. And if you want to drive, or if you want to neutral the vehicle, you can push it to the upward position. So now that being in neutral position right now, I can show you the various functions present right here. So this is the steering wheel of the vehicle, and on to the right of the steering wheel I have the combination switch or the steering stalk right here. So this is an integrated lever that has various functions like your headlamps, indicators, and your horn. So when I turn the knob on, the headlamps will be turned on, and when I turn it down, the headlamps will be turned off. This has the indicators function as well. So the combination switch has each and everything, and the horn is also present right in the combination switch. So definitely this is a easy reach control that has been inculcated in this vehicle. Now coming to the steering wheel has been kept fairly simple. So using it does not involve lot of technology. It's quite easy to use. And down you have the throttle pedal and the brake lever right here, and over here you have the parking brake. Now in order to drive the vehicle, what you got to do is you have to firstly turn the vehicle on, switch the vehicle into forward mode, disengage the parking brake, and you have to press the accelerator, and there you are moving. We are going in a forward direction. So that's how you drive it forward. And in order to go in a reverse direction, what you simply got to do is push the button down, and now the vehicle is in reverse. Now while going into reverse, do check all the 4 directions, and in order to check your rear end, you have this clear window. So through the clear window you can see what's going on at your back. So we are driving in reverse right now. So guys, that's all about how to operate the Optimus T20 battery operated platform truck, or BOPT, abbreviating it. So that's how you operate it, and that was all about the switchgear information. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do reach out for any other technical assistance that you need for these vehicles. Thank you.